I just realized something. Our whole online life is kinda rented. YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. It's like you're buying a house on someone else's land and they could take it away anytime they want. I'm still new to all this, but I found one simple step to actually own your space online. I mean, your name, your audience, your future. And most of the creators overlook it. So let's just figure this out together. And by the end of this video, let's just have our online presence. Now I'm gonna screen share my device, guys, and show you the step-by-step process of how I created my digital presence. And you guys can see the step-by-step process and apply the same things for your digital presence as well. So let's just go. And we're gonna have some steps here. The first step is choosing a domain and getting a domain. And the second one is creating a custom email. Third one is designing our website, and fourth one is going to be hosting our website somewhere. First, we will do some research. Before I do things, I always do some research, and I mostly use Reddit for a research. First, we have to know what domain is. Domain is your online address, and it's where people find you. And if you don't get the domain that you want, somebody else could. And in that case, you won't have access to that domain. That's why I think domains are so powerful. And if you want to build a digital presence, getting a domain is so important. I went to the Reddit here and did some research about the domain registrars. And these are the options that I saw. Mostly it was about Cloudflare, Namecheap, Porkbon, GoDaddy, but I went with Cloudflare here because it's affordable and it just gives you a lot of functionality as well. So I'll just go with Cloudflare here. If you guys want to choose another domain provider, you can choose them as well, but I think Cloudflare is really good, and as a beginner, I think we can use it. So let's go with Cloudflare here. This is the Cloudflare website. We're gonna go to the search domains part and enter the domain that we wanna get. I'm gonna use my surname and name here, Allahverdi Murad. And it's gonna search for the domains. These are the domains that I have available, and I have to choose among them. We have .me, .org, .tech, .com, and all these things. And I will give you guys a little tip here. If you guys want to get a domain, I would advise you to get .com domain because it's more universal, and when somebody is searching for your name, they will most probably search it by .com. So it would be better to get the .com domain. I already have my domain ready, so I'm not gonna buy any domain right now, but you guys should get it. I bought my domain. After I get the domain, I will go to the Cloudflare website. I'll log into my page. Let's wait for it. This is the dashboard that comes with Cloudflare. And now we are gonna go to the domain registration part here. We're gonna go to the manage part. Now, as you guys can see, our first part is over. We have our domain ready, it's registered, and the second part is gonna be getting a custom email. In order to get to the email tab, we have to go to the update DNS configuration part, and after that we're gonna have this email here. And after we go to the email part, it's gonna open an email routing page. I already have my custom email ready, so I'm gonna show you the screenshots of the whole process, how it's gonna be. Let's go to the recents tab here. Where's the recents? Recents, yeah. So after you go to the email routing part, this is gonna be the first page that comes with it. You're gonna click on get started, and after you click on get started, it's gonna take you to this page, and in this page you're gonna add the custom address and destination address. Custom address is the email that you want to get. In this case, I used murad@allahverdiev.com, and the destination address is the place that you want to get the emails. You're gonna add any email that you have, and when somebody sends an email to this custom address, you're gonna get them in your destination address. So this is the whole process. And after you do this, you're gonna click on create and continue, and it's gonna take you to this page. And in this page, you are gonna see all the DNS records of your email routing. Now you have your custom email ready, but there's one thing missing, and that is you wanna get some emails on your email, on your custom email. And in order to do that, as you guys can see here, in the status part, it says missing. So you have to fill in these details on your DNS records, and then you can get emails on your custom email easily. And I'm going to show you that as well, how you can do that. So you are going to go to the DNS part here, and you're going to go to the add record part. Add record part. I'm going to go onto this page, yeah, and we are going to fill in these details now. As you guys can see here, first record type is MX. We're going to choose our record type MX. For the name, if we want to get the root, we are going to choose @ and for the mail server part, we're going to just copy this text and paste it here. And that's it. That is the whole process. And you're going to click on save. I already have my DNS records ready, so I'm not going to do this process. But yeah, this is the whole process. You are going to do the same process for all these records, and then you are going to have your email ready, and you can get emails on your custom email. Yeah, this was the process of getting a custom email. Now we're done with the second part. Let's move on to the third part. For the third part, let's just I'm gonna close this page. Our third part is creating a website. We have some platforms that we can use in order to create a website. There were platforms like Card for a one-page website. There are platforms like Replit, Wix, Squarespace, or something like that. There are a lot of platforms that you can use. I did some research and I actually found Replit, and I think it's pretty good. It's completely free. You can get the HTML code from Replit and then paste that code to the hosting platform, and you're gonna have your website completely ready. So this is the whole conversation that I had with Replit. First, you have to tell Replit that what kind of website do you want. It's gonna create your website, and after that you are gonna look at the website, and if you want to make some changes, you're just gonna tell Replit that I don't want this, or I don't want that, I want this, or I want that. It's gonna create the website for you as you want. After that, it's gonna give you a file, a zip file. It gave me a zip file. I have that zip file ready here. Now your website is ready. I mean, your website design is ready. Now we have to host that website somewhere, and now we're gonna just do that. We're gonna go to the downloads folder here, and this is our zip file. We're not gonna touch this now. Our website is ready, and I'm gonna use Netlify for that. And I did some research for this one as well. This is completely free as well. For all these processes, as you guys can see, I only paid like $12 or $11, and that was only for the domain. Other than that, I didn't pay anything. I used all of this for free, and I have a fully functional website, and I have a custom email just for $12. That's pretty good. So now we are on the Netlify dashboard. We're gonna click add new project part here. If you guys have a GitHub account, you can create a project and import that existing project to Netlify, and you will have that project ready on Netlify. But I don't have a GitHub account, so that's why I'm gonna deploy it manually. We have this page ready. As I showed you guys, I am gonna get this zip file and drag and drop that zip file to Netlify. Why can I not do it? Yeah, now I can do it. It's uploading to Netlify. We're gonna wait a little. Yeah, and after this part is gonna come up. You are gonna add your domain here. as you guys can see, as you guys know already, we bought our domain, and the domain that you got, you are gonna enter here. I already added it for my another project, that's why I cannot be able to use it, but I'll just show you the process. So as you guys can see, another project is already using this domain, so that's why I'm not going to be able to use it, but you guys won't have any problem with this. So project overview part, we're going to go to the production part. Our website is completely ready now, so no problems with the website. And if you guys want to preview our website, 3, 2, 1, and ta-da! This is the website that we have, a fully functional website. As you guys can see, this is the email part of our website. This is the about me part. This is the content part. This is fully functional. You can go to my YouTube page. You can go to my TikTok page. You can see my projects. You can connect with me. If you guys want to connect with me, you can do it here. And I'm just gonna try if it works or not. Hello. 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 How are you? Yeah, this is the process. This is the process. This is the process. No, my oh. That was my grandma. So sorry, guys. You're gonna send a message, and that's it. I used Formspeed for my form. I did a lot of research for this. I didn't know anything about this whole process. I was just chatting with ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and I somehow managed to get our website ready. I used Formspeed for this. I'll just show you the Formspeed as well. You can just use it to get a form. You can just use it to get a form. You're gonna get started. You are gonna get an HTML, and you are gonna paste that HTML to the zip file that I showed you, and you will have your thank you page ready as well. So this is the whole process. Yeah, that's it. It was a simple process, 4 steps. First, we bought the domain. After we got the domain, what did we do? We got our custom email. After that, we designed our website. And last of all, we hosted our website. And that's it. You have a fully functional website and email in like 30 minutes. So it was this easy. And that's it, guys. Your name, your mail, and your website, as I promised. This was the step 1 of creating our digital identity. You guys want to know the step 2? You guys have to watch the next video. It's going to be about email lists, and that's all I'm going to say for now. If you guys want to watch the next video as well, subscribe so you don't miss out.